So do all atoms have the same ionization energy? What do you think? Of course, it's a clear cut no. Ionization energy varies significantly between different elements. Each element has a characteristics set of ionization energy. So basically, it's not the same. All the atoms will not have the same ionization energy. That's a simple answer. Now, what factor influences ionization energy? What do you think? Obviously, the nuclear charge, electronic shielding, atomic radius, subshell configuration, effective nuclear charge. Basically, all the things that we have studied till now. Now, in detail, if the number of nuclear charge is greater, that is, there's more positive charge and stronger pull of electrons. Atomic radius, larger atomic radius, electrons held less tightly, so decreasing ionization energy. Electrical shielding, if the shielding is more, right? If the shielding is more, the ionization energy will increase. If the shielding is less, it decreases, right? If the shielding is, sorry, I told the other way around. Greater the shielding, reduce effective nuclear charge becomes decrease ionization energy. That is, we need less energy to pull out something. Effective nuclear charge, greater effective nuclear charge increases ionization energy. Right? Again, it's about how much energy we need to pull a loosely bound electron. So directly and indirectly, you can keep understanding this because we come to the same thing. Can you see that? Even now we are going to the same thing. We're talking about protons, we're talking about the radius, we're talking about electrical shielding, very simple concepts. That's the agenda of this particular set of videos to make you guys comfortable with the idea. What and all elements we have to look. And by understanding this, the chemical reactions becomes a lot simpler. Now, which elements have the highest and the lowest ionization energy? Well, it's quite obvious. Let me show this. So this is your periodic table. So as you can see, that's your, just a second, let me zoom in a bit for you guys. So that's your hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, so on and so forth. So now I'm just doing this. So can you see that? The noble gas, that's your right elements over here. They have the highest ionization energy. It should make sense by now. If it's not, then you have not learned the basics well. As we move from left to right, you can clearly see that the ionization energy keeps on increasing. Down the group, it reduces, not to that extent. Quite a few, they look the same to be honest. But yeah, you can see that it's reducing. So let's go back to the question, which elements have the highest and the lowest? So indirectly, we are talking about elements in the right, they have higher energy, and the lowest will be left and below. That pattern is what you guys have to understand. Okay, so in terms of values, we have the values over here. Can you see that? These are the big set of values on the right extreme. On the left extreme, you can see that the values are not that significant. And this is the least. Okay, so by understanding all of this pattern, you'll be able to understand the reactions better. Please see to that you understand all of this. Don't memorize anything, just understand.